Hey guys! Today I'm taking you with me to the Black Forest in the south of Germany. We're going on a little trip to enjoy the natural views and do a quick sketch of the landscape in front of us. I wanted to make this video before leaving this area and moving houses because I realized how fast time is passing, and I really wanted to have some beautiful memories to look back on when I'm older. And honestly, what's better than capturing it through a sketch and a video, something I can keep forever as a memory. But before we head out, let's get ready. I noticed that I've been putting too much pressure on myself to create perfect videos. Ones that deliver a specific message or look flawless. And that's been stressing me out and stopping me from even posting on YouTube. So I decided to change my approach, to start making vlogs, film behind the scenes, or just simple everyday moments. I want to share my real life as an artist, my thoughts, my painting process, and actually enjoy it without feeling pressured to make everything perfect. Okay. I've been wanting to make this video for a while, to show you this breathtaking place in all seasons. But for privacy reasons, I preferred to wait until I moved out. This green landscape was one of the reasons I stayed happy and at peace this year. Honestly, it was a bit hard at first, moving to Germany, a new life, a new language, not knowing anyone, and being far from everyone I love. But this view made me feel like I was living inside a dream. It gave me peace of mind, helped me see the beauty in everything, and taught me how to be comfortable with myself and by myself. It helped me romanticize my life again. There's something in me that's always been connected to imagination, maybe because I grew up watching Disney and fairy tales. I loved magic, love stories, and that dreamy feeling. Now I'm trying to reconnect with that version of me, the real Asil, without caring what people might think. While I was choosing what scenes to draw, I looked for a frame that included everything: a bit of the sky, the mountain, and the ground. I tried to find a nice composition with my eyes and started sketching it. First, I made light pencil lines to set up the composition, then used an ink pen to outline and erase the pencil marks. Okay, so it's 8:17 p.m. and I think I have 30 minutes. The sun is already behind the mountain and there's no more sunlight, so I'm gonna sketch very quickly. I've been getting back into watercolors lately and doing more loose sketches. First, because I want to stop putting pressure on myself to make every piece look perfect. And second, because watercolors force you to let go of control. You can't really manipulate them like acrylics or oils, so you have to trust the process and let the water and colors flow naturally. That's something I've been working on, to stop overthinking details right away, and instead paint how I feel, because sometimes I focus too much on how the painting should look instead of just enjoying it. So now my goal is to paint more freely and without pressure. At the same time, I've been relearning color theory, which is super important for any artist. It's basically the foundation of everything. In this sketch, I try to apply a few things, like creating depth, making distant objects lighter and less saturated, and closer ones darker and more colorful. That's how you create that natural depth with color. I also tried to avoid rushing into details, and instead focused on seeing shapes and light first, like seeing the tree as a whole with light and shadow, instead of getting lost in the leaves and branches. I'm not sure if that makes sense, but yeah, I didn't have much time before sunset, so I couldn't add too many details, which actually gave it that sketchy, spontaneous vibe I really love. Before ending this video, I just want to say this. Find something that helps you connect with yourself. Something that makes you understand yourself without any outside influence. Like when we were kids, we used to dream, feel, and imagine freely without caring about others' opinions. For me, painting gives me that feeling. It makes me feel like I'm in my own little world. One that no one else can enter but me. My own fairy tale. Maybe for you, it's reading, photography, a certain sport, or any other hobby. But I've realized that whenever I stop painting, something in me feels missing. Because art completes me. And now I can't imagine living without that part of me anymore. It's 9 p.m. So I think I need to go home and call it a day. It was really fun and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So tell me, what's something that makes you forget the world around you? What makes you feel like you're in your own world, your own escape? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support really means a lot to me. See you in the next video. Bye!